Hey everybody, quick update today. Just wanted to show you what we've been up to. We haven't done a whole heck of a lot, but let's go ahead and take a look. So one of the things we've been working on is the Windshield Surround. We can see it here. Basically, we're letting it cure a little bit more before we sand it down and put a final coat on and then clear it. Then we can install the windshield, which is over here. Next thing is we've been grafting OEM into non-OEM areas. So we've been working here on the frunk area. So we've got the OEM plastic surround there, and then we've had to make these pieces to mount it to that go around the perimeter of the frunk. And then the next thing we have to do is we're going to have to go ahead and do the surround. We'll do that again in steel, and then we will get the hood to fit over that and figure out how we're going to get the hinges to work on that. We're probably going to do a forward mounting lifting hood as you've seen before, and then up here somewhere we're probably going to use latches to latch it down. Some of the other things we did in here too is we cut out some of the temporary structure that we had built in here and welded in some new structure where we made sure that everything was at the right angles, proper length, that kind of stuff, and removed all the tack welds. Got all the fitting all of the plastic and the dash and everything, got that all screwed down. So we're just kind of waiting on the window surround, and then we'll get that in there. And then again, we had to make some modifications to the hood. These cutouts, I finally cut them out. These are where vents will go. So one here too. And then I have to still accommodate these scoops here, which we will do by making some adjustments to these plastic parts. Hopefully we'll not have to make too much adjustments. I actually did a test fit, and the scoops do fit down in here, and so we can make some ducting that would go straight down into this area where we're planning on putting the AC compressor. So again, short update. We continue to 3D print the rear diffuser and do some of the wiring. So I'll get to that next week, and hopefully here in the next month or so we'll fire her back up and get her back out being able to be driven. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hope everybody's staying safe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.